We are now in Saint Lucia, our second to last island on this cruise. It's so beautiful here. It's my favorite island so far. Saint Lucia is a small island nation in the eastern Caribbean. The French were the island's first European settlers. England took control of the island from 1663 to 1667. In the following years, England was at war with France 14 times, and the rule of the island changed frequently. It was ruled 7 times, each by the French and the British. In 1814, the British took definitive control of the island. On the 22nd of February, 1979, Saint Lucia became an independent state and a member of the Commonwealth of Nations. Today the island has a population of 180,000 with its capital in Castries.
Used as a quarantine station. This is where they kept animals to run tests to see if they had any sickness or disease before they came into the island. But right about now it is used as a holiday resort, where on holidays, family members or friends would go on over to our picnics or barbecues, going on over in dugout canoes to have an outdoor scenery of the island. On days where the tide is very low, you could actually walk to go to Rat Island. Where the tide is very low, go maybe under your knees. Okay. Yes. So that's about it there, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're done for your Kodak moments, well, paparazzi there, anybody want?
We have quite a few paparazzi, so if you need any assistance.
So anybody who have Apple, Samsung, Kodak, whatever moments you have.
In English. The trees, they're extinct to the island because they were used up to build houses, boats, make furniture, and the trees were never replanted. From these, the artists make abstract pieces. We get them through farmers clearing their land as well. We also have pieces like these. This here is a traditional mask. It's made from a wood called Laurier Mabwe wood. Laurier Mabwe is a wood similar to mahogany, and it's also very lightweight as well.
This is good. Lecker?
Good.
Banana ketchup?
Oui.
And what do you think?
Marigot people.
And this one is the garlic.
Garlic, banana.
Hello. Keep your people together.
Yeah, they're together, they're all together. And this one is the barbecue.
Barbecue banana.
Come up.
En garlic is am besten. Kann man nicht das mitnehmen?
Behind me is the volcano in Saint Lucia, and it smells like sulfur. You can smell it really strong here. It reminds me just like Iceland. behind me are the famous Piton Mountains. They're a UNESCO Heritage Site.